Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by plugging in a wired USB mouse and keyboard into the Series X. Once connected, the console recognizes basic HID devices. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections, then mouse to confirm the device and adjust pointer speed and primary button. Once done, launch Marvel Rivals and check the game's input options. Make sure to look for any keyboard or mouse toggles. This gets you immediately into testing. It avoids waiting on adapters and shows whether the game accepts native input. Now fine-tune control behavior. In Marvel Rivals, open control and sensitivity settings and lower or raise pointer sensitivity to match mouse DPI. If the game does not accept native keyboard or mouse, use a reputable adapter such as XIM or Titan that maps HID to controller signals. Install its manager on PC, update firmware, and load a profile for Marvel Rivals. Make sure to map essential controller buttons to comfortable keys and buttons, and test movement and ability binds in a practice match to verify responsiveness and latency. Finish by calibrating DPI against in-game sensitivity. Set mouse DPI to a known value, tweak sensitivity until aim feels natural, and run several practice matches to lock settings in. If you lose input or stutter, first replug into another USB port or use a powered hub. Make sure adapter firmware and Xbox system updates are current. If the game still rejects input, restart the console and recheck mappings. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping to a different USB port or updating the adapter firmware often resolves detection or latency problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.